Stall. They are all in line. They're off in the Mint Juvenile fillies. Yogurt was slow to start. Sunshine City right to the early lead. Joined by Dream Quest on the outside, is away running in second position. Long Monday is third toward the inside. Cecile's Chapter came out running in fourth. Between those two, Beautiful Star is fifth. Stephanie's Jewel racing about 5 lengths off the lead early, then Plum Ali flown to the outside. Olivia of the Desert is in behind them, and then Yogurt and Macy's Jamming. So it will be Sunshine City to take them down the hill here in front by a length. Long Monday up running in second position as they race into that turn and begin the run down the hill. These two are 1-2 now as DreamQuest moves up a spot into second position. Long Monday shuffled back to fourth as Cecile's Chapter has been moved up into third position on the outside. Then it's back to Beautiful Star fifth, 4.5 lengths off the lead. Plum Ali is sixth and down on the inside. Stephanie's Jewel is next. And then it's Flown and Macy's Jamming. Around the turn they go, and it's Sunshine City right alongside of Dream Quest. They're stride for stride. These two head and head on the lead as they make their way around the turn. Sunshine City and Dream Quest gonna turn for home together. Cecile's Chapter is just to the outside of them. Long Monday is saving ground. Flown comes wide, and right there too, Beautiful Star and Plum Ali, and they're into the stretch. And it is Sunshine City on the inside trying to hold on to this lead. Dream Quest is right up alongside. Here's Cecile's Chapter. Here's Plum Ali to the outside, and farther out it's Flown. Plum Ali is taking the lead. Flown is finishing fast on the outside. It is Plum Ali and Tyler Gaffalione in front, coming down to the line, and Plum Ali wins the Mint Juvenile fillies. Flown was second, Olivia of the Desert was third, Cecile's Chapter was fourth.